What is up, Gadget Squad? Welcome back to IKnowGadgets, your one-stop shop for everything tech. It is 2026, and the tech landscape is moving faster than ever. Today, we're doing something a little different. We've looked through the latest releases, and I've narrowed down 5 devices you absolutely need to see. Now, I'm ranking these from what I'd call the least essential to the absolute must-have. But honestly, even the worst one on this list is a total game changer. And as always, if you see something you love, you can find all the links to buy these gadgets right down in the description below. Let's dive into the countdown.
Starting off at number 5, we have something that isn't flashy, but man, is it necessary. We're talking about the portable electronic cleaning kit. Think about your workspace right now. Your keyboard has crumbs from lunch, your laptop screen is covered in fingerprints, and don't even get me started on what's living inside your earbuds. This kit is a literal lifesaver for your gear. It's compact, it's portable, and it has specialized tools to get into those tiny crevices that a regular cloth just can't reach. Why it's number 5? It's not a fun gadget, but it's the one that will keep your expensive tech lasting longer. If you're a clean desk enthusiast, this is a non-negotiable.
Coming in at number 4 is the magnetic power bank. We've all been there. You're out for the day, your battery hits 5%, and you realize you forgot your charging cable. This little beauty snaps right onto the back of your phone, charging it wirelessly while you're on the go. No more tangled wires in your pocket or heavy bricks weighing you down. It's sleek, it's magnetic, and it fits perfectly into the modern mobile lifestyle of 2026. Why it's number 4? It's incredibly convenient, though it's limited to those with compatible phones. But for those users, it's a total lifesaver. In the middle of our list at number 3, we have the gadget that breathes new life into old hardware, the Smart TV streaming device. Look, we don't all want to buy a brand new 8K TV every 2 years. This device lets you turn any TV into a smart streaming powerhouse in seconds. You get access to all your favorite apps, voice control, and a lightning-fast interface without the cost of a new television. It's the ultimate budget-friendly upgrade that makes your living room feel high-end again. Why it's number 3? It's the most practical bang-for-your-buck gadget on this list. High utility, low cost. Moving into the elite tier. At number 2, we're looking at the home monitoring camera. Peace of mind is the ultimate luxury, right? This gadget allows you to monitor your home directly from your phone, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're checking to see if a package was delivered or just making sure the dog hasn't eaten the sofa again, the clarity and ease of use here are top tier. In 2026, home security should be simple, and this gadget makes it happen. Why it's number 2? In terms of modern necessity, security is right at the top. It's a sophisticated piece of tech that provides real value to your daily life. And finally, the reigning champion of 2026, the gadget that is changing the way we interact with digital media, the VR headset. This isn't just a screen you strap to your face, it's a portal. This device lets you step into games, movies, and immersive experiences that feel 100% real. Whether you're exploring a digital world or watching a concert as if you were in the front row, the immersion is unmatched. It's the pinnacle of current technology and easily the coolest thing you can buy right now. Why it's number 1? It's the wow factor. It's the gadget that makes you feel like you're living in the future. So there you have it, Gadget Squad. From keeping your keys found to stepping into virtual worlds, these are the top picks for 2026. Don't forget, I've put the links to every single one of these gadgets in the description below so you can grab yours today. Which one was your favorite? Are you going for the VR headset? Or are you like me and desperately need that cleaning kit for your keyboard? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to IKnowGadgets, and ring that bell so you never miss a tech update. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.